Myself Vivek.
And I am Ritika.
So after purchasing the land, we wanted to build our dream home, and we started looking for different builders, different companies. In online, when I was searching, I just came through this buildAhome website. Then the first thing which everyone does is reads the Google reviews. So I started going through the Google reviews, and it was very promising. People were very satisfied with them. So I called one of the guy, buildAhome marketing team. Initial discussion we started. I went to their experience center as well, and he explained me what's the process, how he is going to take the project, and he showed me some completed projects as well. And I talked to some of their customers as well, and they were very satisfied. And the construction quality and the look of the elevations of the different houses were very different, and they were all very satisfied. So finally I decided to go with them. We started the plan layout, like we want this very open spaces and ventilation should be very good. Some things we had in our mind, like some place where we can chill out and our happy place, all those things we wanted in our house.
We wanted open spaces areas, multi-purpose areas, sit-outs and water bodies area. That's all we given our input to the architecture. Most of the architects, they want more number of rooms in the houses. But we were very specific that we want open spaces and less number of rooms in our house, particular about the details we provided and designed accordingly. The construction also started just after the plan approval.
So we started the construction after 3 to 4 months later. We had our marriage also planned, so I had to visit to my hometown. But every day I was getting the update what is happening in my site. In the start of the day I was getting the update like this is the plan
with exact date and time. There was lot of clarity between us because there was no third party involved, which happens in other construction companies. There are a lot of layers of communication. That's why they face a lot of communication gap, which we didn't face because we can directly contact with the site engineers and the coordinators. During the civil work, we didn't have to go anywhere and everything was done very smoothly. Only while selection of tiles, paints and all these things after stage we had to go, but every time we were accompanied with the architect and the designer with us who helped us select all the things.
Yeah, so overall experience with buildAhome was very nice. Every house has some smaller issues like here and there, but they are still, at the end of the day, they are still with us and staying, like giving us their helping hand, and we are basically very happy.
During our housewarming ceremony, there were a lot of pending works which they stayed with us and did day and night and completed the work very rigorously. They are very supportive and dedicated, and overall we are very happy with the process.
So overall experience with buildAhome was very good, and they were supportive, and we are completely satisfied with them. Bunny, let's build a home.
Aaja, let's build a home.